Here is the Air India crash, and I want to say my observation. First, I don't feel it's really engine loss. I'll explain later. Second is the airplane maintained at the same angle throughout, which is called attitude. Third is I feel it's either pilot error or autopilot problem of the plane. So let's go to the pilot, if it was total engine failure, look at the explosion. Okay, so if it was total engine failure, the pilot would have to decrease its angle of attack. But the pilot did not, it was same angle throughout. And if it was total power loss and the plane remained at that high angle of attack, the plane will stall, which probably one wing will stall first and will dip. But the plane was in a stabilized throughout. Almost look like a stabilized approach when you land, which I suspect the auto throttle may be accidentally put in that mode. Auto throttle is the plane automatically adjusts the engine power based on whether you are climb out or descend. Also, I want to point out that when you imagine you are the pilot in that climb out position, you are pointing up. Actually, you cannot see in the front, you are just looking at the sky. So it's really hard to tell if you are descending actually unless you are looking at the gauge until it's too late. Even though one article said the pilot made a mayday call saying he could not lift and no power from the engine, which could be that